So, good morning, students. So, today I am going to explain chapter 5 Lines and Angle, class 7th. Class 7th standard, right? 7th. So, this is one of the important topic in the geometry part. So, first of all, I would like to explain the basic thing according to the given topic, that is lines and angles. What is a line? Line has two segments, that is the two ends of the points. If you stop that, the two points will be done. For first is initial point and second one is, that is for first is initial point, that is A, and that is terminal or end point, that is for B. That is a line. That is line has been segmented. If stop of the line from B on the boundary of the B, that is for line segmented. Segment means it stop on the end, it touches to the another point of that end point, it stop. If there is no end, that continuously it will move. Line is a continuous in motion. Line is a continuous motion. Understood? So, next, what is a ray? Ray has only one endpoint. Ray has only one endpoint. It will come down. Just as a assume one ray. What? The sun rays fall on the earth. The sun ray falling onto the earth. That is a ray. That is also weak. A torch will put light, that is on ray. Understood? Continuous it will fall. The torch will move the light. The light means move on to the any object. That is ray. So a line has no end point on either side. From one end it will start the initial line, initial point, but where it will stop. But if we then the line segment, then it will come the second point, that is for terminal point. Understood? If it stop to the another point, that is for segmented, the line which has segmented. Understood my point? Okay. Next I am going to explain the complementary angles. What do you mean by complementary angles? When the sum of two angles, the sum of measure of two angles is 90 degree. For example, assume that one angle is 30 degree, another angle is 60 degree. So if you make it sum, if you add that both angles, then we call it as, that is for supplementary angles. For example, I will take A1 right angle. I will take that here. That is 30 degree. This is 60 degree. Both if we add, then we call it as, that is for supplementary angle. Did you got understood? Or these also we can take separate also we can tell. When the sum of measures of two angles also we can take, that sum is 90 degree. If the both angle, not only for 30 and 60, we can take 20 plus 70 degree also. 20 degree another one angle, and another angle is 70 degree. If you add to both together, then it will come 90 degree. That the angles are called supplementary angle. Did you got understood? Next I am going to explain supplementary angle. What do you mean by supplementary angle? If the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, similarly, if example, I will draw here, this is 60 degree, this is 120 degree. So we can keep the name AOB and point P. We can keep here. This one angle is 60 degree and another angle is, that what we will get, that is for 120 degree. If you put the sum of that, both angles we have to put the sum. If we add, the angle should come 180 degree. That the angles are said to be a supplementary angle. Understood? So here also I have taken. So I can tell you that 60 degree plus 120 degree, or you can take 90 degree plus 90 degree also we can take. So after that I am going to explain. So first of all I need to explain the things from you, the basic of that. What are parallel lines? Parallel lines. Now see, what do you mean by parallel lines? Two lines which never meet or never intersect. Intersect means what? In one line another line will intersect. That is not a parallel line. I will show you. This is the one line, this is another line. The both lines, this is AB, this is CD, we have to give name, but the both lines will never intersect. Give examples. I will give the examples of that parallel lines. So electric cables on the main roads, you have to see, they will never intersect. If they intersect, the electric spark will come. That type of lines are called parallel lines. Even one more thing, that is for railway track. The two tracks will never come together. If they come together, the train will never move forward. Did you got understood? The train will never forward. And zebra crossing. You see on the road, when on the road crossing the peoples, the strips are there. The paint has been done. That is one black, one is white. This type of black and white. So black will, this is the distance between the lines and the black paint and white paint. So that is nothing but parallel lines. Even we can take in your homes also, that is for windows bar also. Windows bar. Right? So that is nothing but parallel lines. Did you got understood? Okay. First of all, next I would like to explain. So that is according to the given figure. In this figure, I would like to explain the corresponding angles, alternate angles and vertically opposite angles. This is very, very important of you all. Very, very, very important. Concentrate here. What do you mean by corresponding angles? We have to take. So I will take here, see, angle XLP. This is one angle. XLB, that we have to take capital X only, this is capital Y only. XLB, see here, XLB, this is one angle. Similarly, LMD is equal to LMD. These are the corresponding angles. See, repeating once again. XLB one angle, similarly down we have to take this also. Did you got understood? Now, one more from this side we have to take. Angle XLA and similarly is equal to LMC. Still we have to take from the down, we have to take this side and this side. Angle YMD and is equal to MSIM. See, like that we are taken, like that we have to take MLB, like that we have to take this side. This is one angle, this is one angle. Angle YMC one angle is equal to MLA. These are the corresponding angles from the given figure. Now I am going to explain that is alternate angles. What do you mean by alternate angles? What we have to take? It is in the form of Z form, like that, or we can take like that. This is in a Z form we have to take. Understood? So I will take, see here, ALM. This we are taking, and is equal to LMB. This is one and this is one angle. This is the second angle. Okay. Now from this side, this and this side we have to take. See, angle BLM down we are taking. Again side we have to take LMC. These are the alternate angle we are taken from in the given figure. Okay. So next I would like to explain in that vertically opposite angles. Opposite means, see, so this is X, this is the center, this is 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4. Opposite we have to take. angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Similarly, opposite will be there, vertically opposite angle, that short form is VOA, right? So, and similarly angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Now we will take in the according to this figure also. So I have shown one example here. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. That we has given the name of that is vertically opposite angle. So here, and one more thing I will explain according to this question. So angle XLB is equal to XLB, this is one angle, this is opposite angle, angle ALM, this is opposite, this is opposite, right? And this and also opposite you can see here. Angle ALX is equal to angle BLM. This is one vertically opposite angle. Here also we can take in this also and this also. So here angle CMY is equal to LMD. This is opposite. CMY, this opposite is this angle, and according to this opposite also we can take angle DMY is this angle to this. So DMY, this is one angle and opposite is this angle. Angle LMC, this is an opposite angle. These are I taught corresponding angles, alternate angles and vertically opposite angles. This we are done. This is very important. You can copy also and you can note down these points, very important, and you have to draw the figure also, and based on figure you can do it. Understood my point? Okay. So now I am taking for that exercise 5.1. Already I taught all those things, complementary angle, supplementary angle. So one more thing I forgot to you all, what is an angle? Angle, two rays with a common endpoint form an angle. So first of all I am going to exercise 5.1. First main, that is given in through the textbook. Find the complement. Complement means you know that is for 90 degrees. Supplementary means 180 degree of each of the following angles. First diagram should be given in that is 20 degree. That angle is given 20 degree. And so complementary angles make how many degree? 90 degree. So the answer is here. The complementary of the angle is 20 degree. Then we have to, complementary means 90 degree minus 20 degree. Exactly we got that is for 70 degree. If we add that 20 plus 70, exactly we will get that is for complementary angle. Second one. So the angle is given 63 degree. The angle is given 63 degree. So we know that exactly what is the given question. So here the complement of an angle 63 degree is, then we have to subtract 90 minus 63. Then exactly the value should come 27 degree. These are the very simple answers. That's why I am not going to solving of that. So third one is given that angle is 57 degree and the complement of the angle is 57 degree. Then the complement of angle is 90 degree minus 57 degree. Then we get 33 degree. Now you can copy also and I will send the notes also. Okay, just you have to understand that. Similarly, I am going to explain the second main. Find the supplementary of the each of the following angles. Like that only they given. The first main is given like that. Complementary. Here they given supplementary. Supplementary makes how many degree? 180 degree. Then the first angle should be given, that is for 105 degree. So the supplement of an angle is 105 degree. Then we have to subtract 180 minus 105 degree. Then we will get, if you subtract this, we will get 75 degree. Did you got understood? So according similarly that one more angle should be, the second angle should be given 87 degree. The supplement of an angle is 87 degree. Then supplementary angles make 180 degree. 180 minus 87 degree. So we will get that is for 93 degree. Did you got understood? Third one, Identify which of the following pairs of an angle is complementary and which one are supplementary. So, first question is given 65, 115 degree. If you both add 65 plus 115 degree, but both if we add, we will get 180 degree. Which angle? Complementary is 90 degree. Supplementary is 180 degree. Therefore, this pair is supplementary angle we can write. Got understood? So, second one is given 63 degree, 27 degree, that is given for 27 degree. So 63 degree plus 27 degree, if we add the both, if it comes 7 plus 3 10, carry 1, 3 plus 2 7, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus carry 1 is 9, that is 90 degree. Therefore this pair of angle is complementary. Only this second one is also we got. Now I am going to explain that third one. 112 degree, 112 degree and 112 degree, 68 degree. If we add that both, we got 180 degree. Then we call it as this pair is supplementary angle. Got understood? After that, fourth one, 130 degree, 50 degree. If we add that both angles, which angle should comes? That is 180 degree. This pair of angle is supplementary angle. We can give that name. So the fifth one also given same. 45 degree, 55 degree. Both angles if we add, then we got 90 degree. This pair of angles are called complementary angle. Did you got? So similarly the sixth one question 80 degree, 10 degree. 80 degree plus 10 degree, 90 degree. This pair is also we got complementary angle. So next I am going to explain the fourth main. I would like to explain. So what they given? Find the angles which is equal to its complement. First of all I will take, let one of the complement angle don't know, the angle should be there. See, first of all we don't know the first angle, we can take x, this is x and another is total is 90 minus x, complementary angle according to the complementary. So its complementary is 90 minus x. Complementary angles make 90 minus x. No need to take this type. Complementary angles make 90 degree means right angle, like that we can take. This is x and this is 90 minus x. We can take like that. Okay. So x is equal to 90 minus x. If you take that x this side, so x plus x is equal to 90 degree. X plus x is equal to 90 degree. Minus x, it should go that side, is equal to that side, it becomes plus sign. So x plus x is 2x is equal to 90 degree. So product value, if you take the denominator, x is equal to 90 divided by 2. If you cancel, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8 and 1 left, 9 minus 8 is 1 and 0 is 10, 2 5s are 10. Then x is equal to 45 degree. Did you got understood? So next I am going to explain similarly the next question. Question number 5th. So listen here. So fifth one. Find the angles which is equal to its supplementary. Supplementary angles make how many degree? 180 degree. Right? Let one of the supplementary angle is, don't know, we have to take x. So supplementary means exactly it will comes, that is x, that is 90 minus, 180 minus x, because supplementary angles make 180 degree. So first angle we don't know, that is x. Another angle of the supplementary makes 180 minus x. First of all we don't know. So we can take, so similarly we can take x plus x, this x. So I will write here x is equal to 180 minus x. If you take that side x, so it becomes minus sign, it will go as plus sign. X plus x is equal to 180 degree. X plus x if you add, it becomes 2x. So 1x plus 1x, 2x. Then after that I will write 2x and x is equal to 180. The product, there is no sign in between constant and variable. The constant will come down. 2 1s are 2 9s are 18, 2 0s are 0. And x is equal to what? 90 degree. So the value of that x is 90 degree. Exactly we got. Note it down. Okay. So the third one is given. In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. They are given. They both are on the baseline. 2 angles will be there. The straight line will be there. And the straight angles make 180 degree. We know that very well. That is for adjacent angles or linear pair angles should be there. If one angle is decreased, then what changes should be take place in angle 2? If it is decrease the angle, the maximum, for assume that this is 120 degree, assume that this angle is 120. If you reduce, the angle will become the second angle should come increase, right or wrong? So that both the angles still remain supplementary, right? We can write, but interchanging. We are adjusting the angles. Adjacent angles. But rest of the angles, total sum of the angles should come 180 degree only. So, if one angle is decreased, the second angle will be increased. Then the total sum of angles should make supplementary only. It comes 180 degree only. The total if you add, it becomes, for example, if 120 is there, if you take in that alternate, so adjacent here, the angle 1, it becomes maybe angle 1 is 60 degree. And angle 2 should come 120 degree. If we add both together, then it becomes, the first angle is decreased, the second angle is increased, then the both if we add, then it comes, that is for 180 degree. Understood? So the next question I am going to explain. So here, question number 7. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute angle? Acute angle means what? Less than 90 degree. An angle which measures less than 90 degree. What he is asking? Two angles make it exactly 9. Supplementary means at least both angles should, if one is acute angle, one is obtuse angle should need. Because we know that if first angle is 60 degree, this is acute angle. Right? Acute angle. And this is 120. This is what? Obtuse angle. Right? Obtuse angle. Second one is obtuse angle. If to add together 180 degree, this is supplementary angle. What is asking? The both should comes acute angle. How it is come? If 60 plus 60, it will come 120 degree. Right? Or you can take 60 and 85 degree also. That is also acute. Acute angle 5. 8 plus 6, 14. 145 degree. But we need, that is for supplementary angle. No. Two acute angles cannot make supplementary angles. Acute angle is less than 90 degree will be there. Understood? Okay. Second one. Obtuse angle. Can two obtuse angles make supplementary? No. See, obtuse angle means it's more than 90 degree. More than 90 you have to take, for example, 95 degree. And first one is obtuse. And another one you have to take obtuse. Obtuse angle. Both you add 0 plus 9 plus 10, 10, 19. 190. This is not supplementary. Supplementary angles make exactly 180 degree. Did you got understood? That is also we can write two obtuse angles cannot be supplementary. That obtuse angle is more than 90 degree will be there. Understood? Right angle. Yeah, right angles make, two right angles make supplementary because first right angle is 90 degree and another right angle is 90 degree. If we add together, it forms as a supplementary. Did you got understood? The both right angles make supplementary. Yes. Two right angles always supplementary. Right angles is equal to always exactly 90 degree. Not neither below 90 nor above 90. That is for right angle exactly 90 degree should come. The eighth one. Now I am going to explain eighth one. So eighth one, an angle is greater than 45 degree. That is given. It is a complementary. angle greater than 45 degree or equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree. Yeah, if an angle is greater than 45 degree, one angle is 45 degree, more than 45 degree or 50 degree, another angle should be less than 45 degree, then angles make complementary. Assume here one is 50 degree and another one is 40 degree. If you add, it forms 90 degree, that is complementary angle. We can write as, right? So should be less than 90 degree, less than 45 degree. Less than 45 is 45, 40 I take to I already taken. Okay. Next, question number 9. So, question number 9, in the adjoining figure, first one is given, adjoining figure. First question, is angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2? Yeah, because this angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. This we can adjacent angles. Yes, we can adjust into that angles, adjacent angles. Is angle AOC, angle AOC, this you see, angle AOC, see is here, is not adjacent, only one angle is there. Angle AOC is angle 1 is there, this is not angle O. See the given angle AOC to adjacent to angle AOE. This is because we are getting into that AOC, these are not adjacent angles. No. So angle AOC is not adjacent to AO. These are the two angles should be given in that. So to angle COE that is given, COE and COE that is given, COE and EOD form an linear pair angle. Linear pair means what? Linear pair means, you have to remember here what you mean by linear pair. If one baseline is there, two angles are there, here one angle, here one angle, you can take here also we can take, this is also we can take here, these are we can take, not this we can take, linear pair angle, here also we can take. In one baseline, two angles are there. Linear pair. Linear means single line on pair of angles should be there, 1 and angle 2. We can take here also angle 1 and angle 2. In one baseline, linear pair angle. Pair means two angles should be on there. So yes, COE and EOD. This is EOD. EOD are linear pair angle. Did you got understood? On the baseline, this is the baseline, you can see here, this is the baseline, this is one angle and this is one angle, we are getting onto the linear pair angle. Did you got understood? Next one, question number 4 I am going to explain. So here I would like to explain here. So here are angle BOD, angle here, this is angle BOD. The angle is given, angle BOD, angle that is given here in the diagram. So I can show you. So this is right. Now angle BOD and DOA, these are the two are supplementary. Yes, this is baseline and two angles will be there in this. Two angles will be there in this. This is the baseline and two angles will be there. We call it as, that is for supplementary angles. But angles are, angle values are different. But if we add, it is also in a linear pair angle. We call it as, that is for 180 degree. Yes, angle BOD and DOA are supplementary angle. Next, question number 7, fifth one. So what is the given question? And if is angle 1 is angle 1 is vertically opposite to the angle 4. Yes, angle 1 is vertically to opposite angle, that is angle 4. Opposite angle will be there. We can call it as that is vertically opposite angle. Question number 7. What is the given question? Question number 6. Sorry. What is the vertically opposite angle of phi? Angle phi opposite is what it will come? This opposite, this angle opposite it, this angle should come, but the two angles we have to add together. Angle phi is equal to the vertically opposite of angle phi